Welcome back. In this English Graded Reader Level 1 video, we'll explore London using simple and easy English. This lesson is narrated by a real British native speaker with no AI-generated voice. Let's get started. London is one of the most famous cities in the world. It is the capital city of England and home to almost 9 million people. Every year, millions of visitors travel to London. They come to see famous buildings, beautiful parks, museums, and interesting streets. London is a large city, but it is also easy to explore. Many visitors begin their trip near Big Ben. Big Ben is one of the most famous landmarks in London. The large clock tower stands next to the Houses of Parliament. When people think about London, they often think about Big Ben first. It is one of the most photographed places in the city. A short walk away is Buckingham Palace. This is the official home of the king. Many tourists visit the palace every day. One popular activity is watching the changing of the guard. The guards wear traditional uniforms and march in front of the palace. Visitors often arrive early to get a good place to watch. Not far from Buckingham Palace is St. James's Park. This is one of London's most beautiful parks. The park has trees, flowers, and a small lake. People come here to relax after visiting the busy streets nearby. On a sunny day, the park is full of visitors and local people enjoying the outdoors. Another popular attraction is the London Eye. The London Eye is a giant observation wheel beside the River Thames. Visitors ride in large glass capsules. The ride moves slowly, giving everyone time to enjoy the view. From the top, you can see many famous places across London. The River Thames runs through the center of the city. It has played an important role in London's history for hundreds of years. Today, many visitors enjoy walking along the river. Others choose to take a boat tour. A boat trip is a great way to see the city from a different angle. One of London's oldest attractions is the Tower of London. This historic fortress is nearly 1,000 years old. Over the centuries, it has been a palace, a prison, and a place of protection. Today, visitors come to learn about its history and see the famous crown jewels. Close to the Tower of London is Tower Bridge. Many people recognize this bridge from photographs and movies. Its two large towers make it one of the most famous bridges in the world. Sometimes the bridge opens to allow large ships to pass underneath. Watching the bridge rise is an exciting experience for many visitors. London is also famous for its museums. One of the most popular is the British Museum. The museum contains objects from many different countries and periods of history. Visitors can learn about ancient Egypt, Greece, Rome, and many other civilizations. Best of all, entry to the museum is free. Food lovers often visit Borough Market. This market is one of the oldest food markets in London. Here, visitors can try food from many parts of the world. Fresh bread, cakes, cheese, fruit, and international dishes are available throughout the market, and it is a wonderful place to stop for lunch. For shopping, many people visit Oxford Street. This busy street is filled with shops, department stores, and restaurants. Visitors can spend hours exploring the area. During holidays and special seasons, the street becomes even more lively and colorful. London is famous for its green spaces as well. Hyde Park is one of the largest parks in the city. People walk, run, cycle, and relax there every day. Even though London is a busy capital city, parks like Hyde Park give visitors a chance to enjoy nature. Getting around London is simple. The city has an excellent public transportation system. The Underground, often called the Tube, connects most parts of the city. Red double-decker buses are another popular way to travel. Many visitors enjoy riding on the upper deck and watching the city pass by. One of the reasons people love London is its variety. The city has a long history, but it also feels modern and exciting. You can visit a 1,000-year-old fortress in the morning and a modern shopping district in the afternoon. Few cities offer such a mix of old and new. London is a city that rewards exploration. Every neighborhood has something different to offer. Some areas are quiet and historic. Others are busy and full of energy. Whether you enjoy history, food, culture, shopping, or simply walking through beautiful streets, London has something for you. If you visit London, you will find a city that continues to attract people from all over the world. It is a place full of famous landmarks, interesting stories, and unforgettable experiences. Many visitors arrive for a few days and leave wishing they had more time. London is not only a city to see, it is a city to experience. Here are some important vocabulary from this story. Capital city, the most important city in a country. Landmark, a famous place or building. Palace, a large home for a king or queen. Bridge, a structure that goes over a river or road. Museum, a place where people can see historical objects and learn. River, a large natural stream of water. Tourist, a person who visits a place for fun. View, what you can see from a place. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed our trip to London and learned some new English words along the way. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English graded readers. Keep practicing a little every day, and your English will continue to improve. See you in the next video.